All we're gonna be doing is a quick window visor install on Bobby's car. Do you want to put them on?
I think we can both put them on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bet.
So Devin got me these and they go over the window. And it helps when you're getting fast food or coffee so the rain doesn't go on you.
These guys are held on by double-sided tape, and then there's some little clips as well that sit underneath the seal on the window trim, or the window frame, like that. So if you roll down the window and peel back the seal, that's how she'll sit. And then there's a little clip that clips right into that thing, and just makes sure she don't fall off. So that piece right there clips into that piece right there, and that piece right there goes on the back side of that metal clip we put in the frame. Simple. Here's the finished product. Not anything crazy, honestly, but Bobby really likes to get her fast food these days. So, you know, we gotta make sure she don't get wet.
Fast food? I like coffee, not fast food.
Wham, bam, bam.
Chick-a-la-cam.